Hey friends, let's make the steamed egg today.
The ingredients today are really simple. Just 4 eggs and some salt and some water. That's it.
First, we'll bring a small pot of water to a boil. While we're waiting for it to bubble, we can go ahead and get the eggs ready. Now we will crack the eggs into a bowl and give them a good stir. The smoother the better. Try to get it nice and silky with no big lumps. Steamed egg is a comfort food that many Chinese kids growing up eating. This savory steamed egg is a classic northern Chinese childhood breakfast. We're going to strain that beaten egg through a fan strainer. And while we're at it, let's measure exactly how much we have got. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Now we're adding the boiling water directly into the egg mixture. After adding the hot water, whisk it all together smoothly and then use a spoon to gently skim off any bubbles on top. Once the water boils, pop the egg mixture in and steam for low heat for about 15 minutes.
A few minutes later.
So to suit your own taste, just drizzle on a bit of soy sauce and sesame oil and it's ready to enjoy. This bowl is great for about 2 to 3 people. If it's just you, just scale the ingredients down a bit.
If you made this dish at home, please leave a comment down below and let me know how it goes. And also, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!